Hello, and welcome to my YouTube page. My name is Kev and I live in South Florida. This is my very first video that I've made, and today we're going to talk about my 1993 Mazda Miata LE. LE was made in 1 year. There was 1,500 cars made. They were made in Japan in that year also, and they made 1,000 of those cars, right-hand drive, same combination. In North America, the car started out as a B package, which had all the power options on it, power mirrors, power windows. It came with leather wrapped steering wheel, stereo system, speakers in the seat, power steering, and cruise control on this car with ABS braking system. It's a fun car. It's my daily driver. I bought it with 67,000 miles and currently has 81,000 miles on it. It came from basically a one-owner family. It originally came with BBS wheels, 14-inch. They only weighed 8.5 pounds. Had little bitty tires on it, and the shocks were Blisslin, so it sat up really high. I installed new tires on it, and it handled better, but everyone said, hey, you got to change your shocks on it. So I got lucky and found some Megan coilovers, put it on the car, and lowered the car. Also, what's different about this is it came factory with the rear lip, came with the spoiler on the trunk, and it came with a front lip. I added the driving lights to it, and all of them are black with red interior. It originally didn't come with a hardtop. You could order one with a hardtop. I got lucky and picked this up in Orlando. Came with the fogging strips and the window tint on the back, and it also has a headliner up inside of it. I'm just gonna pop it. We'll go take a look at the engine. There wasn't much history on the car. It was traded around from the family. So when I got it, I looked over the internet and they said always do the 60,000 mile service when it's due. So I went to Treasure Coast Miata, bought the seal kits, timing belt, water pump. End up replacing all the hoses, all the hose clamps, did the cam seals, main seal, front and rear, and changed the alternator and air conditioning belts on it. I installed a K&N air cleaner, and while I was up at Treasure Coast, they had a strut tire brace, which I purchased. This is a JDM model, and there's actually a hole here that you can add the brace for the brake system, because they're on the other side. I got lucky and I found a Racing Beat header. I picked that up at a good price, and I changed the exhaust system to a MagnaFlow catback system. There's the ABS braking system. Oh yeah, I did end up changing the radiator on the car because it had started turning a brownish color, so I had to change that. And here's I guess it's famous red interior. Everybody loves it. It comes with the speaker covers that are stainless steel, the door seal, which is stainless. Inside the speakers, they were really bad, so I changed them out to 6.5-inch MB quartz. And at the time, the stereo was really not working very well. It was supposed to be a custom stereo system that they had in the car. They even had a blank cover that would go over it so people didn't see it. I changed it out to a Kenwood system that has navigation on it, so it's really nice. Under here, it's black on the top and then split color difference. I put this over to protect it. There's the mileage on it. and I did have to change the steering wheel because it started cracking. This is a Lucara steering wheel that I picked up from Daytona at the Turkey Rod Run, and I got the steering wheel, but I couldn't find a hub for it. So I talked to Lucara, and they had a truck hub that would work on here, and then I had to drill it out to add the turn signal for the cancellation, so the signals do work and cancel off when you turn the wheel back. I had a diode in here which eliminated the airbag signal on the car, and of course it is a 5-speed car, and the soft top is still in the car. And I got lucky. I saw on Craigslist this roll bar. I think it's Goodwin Racing, or I can't remember the name of it, but it came in tan, so I spray vinyl dyed it, and it came out really nice. It does have the speakers in the headrest, which is still working. The AC still works on the car. The cruise control still works on the car. Everything works on the car. The seats are in really good condition. The carpet could use to be replaced, and I'd love to do something with the floor mats, either dye them or something. We'll go over to the other side so you can see it. Oh yeah, I had power antenna, which I went through the guard gate and accidentally went under the bar, and it bent my antenna, so that's going to have to be replaced. Here's the passenger side. Hope you like the wheels. Drop down and show you the coilovers. And here's the exhaust system. I'm going to go ahead and start the car up. The sound. Originally the exhaust system came with the MagnaFlow catback, or the cat itself, but it was too loud for me, so I ended up putting the factory cat in there. But the engine's running good. I use it as my daily driver. Luckily I only work 7 miles away from home. And when I bought the car, I didn't know what the production line of it was, as far as what number the car is. I looked online, they said call Mazda's number. I called them, they said they don't do that anymore because I guess there was some mistakes made. So here is the VIN number. Maybe somebody can tell me what exactly the production line is on this car. I have no idea, don't know how to read them. I tried to look it up. It's not like normal cars, so it's a little different to try to figure out. Well, being this is my first video, I don't know how to edit videos, so hopefully people will be kind and just enjoy the car, because I do. This is my 4th Miata that I've owned. I owned a 90 in blue, a 91 in red, which my son bought, and a 2004 Mazda Speed, which was a lot of fun, and my son bought that one also after I had bought the LE. So it's a fun car. Take it to Cars and Coffee and go cruising around. But oh, and then I also added window tint because it never had tint on it before, so that was interesting. So this is my car. Hope you like it. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.